Welcome back, friends. My name is Mrs. Curry, and today we're going to do one of my favorite things, look for patterns. Did you know that your brain loves to look for patterns? It's how we make sense of the world. So as mathematicians, it's really important that we have our noticing eyes open and that we turn on that noticing brain. For this lesson, you'll need the addition chart pictured to my left. Push pause so you can gather your materials and click play when you're ready to begin. We're going to start on the very left-hand side of this addition chart. As I write down the answers, you write them in too. That way, it'll be easier to see the patterns. If at any time I'm moving too quickly, just pause the video and catch up. I have everything covered except for my first column where we'll begin. Read the expression aloud with me. 1 plus 0. 2 plus 0. 3 plus 0. 4 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 6 plus 0. 7 plus 0. 8 plus 0. 9 plus 0. 10 plus 0. What did you notice was the same about all of these expressions? They all had plus 0. What did you notice was different about the expression every time we read it? The first number went up by 1 every time. Good! Now let's solve each problem together. I'll read the expression and you say the number out loud. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Remember to say them out loud. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Next, we're going to look at the second column. Let's read the expressions aloud together. Ready? 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 6 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 9 plus 1. What do you notice about the expressions in this second column? They all add 1 each time. And what is different? The first addend increases by 1 every time. Nice noticing. Now I'll read the expression and you say the answer out loud. Ready? 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals, nice job, everybody. You said that all of these problems added 0 each time. How did that change the first addend? It didn't change it at all, did it? So when we have 1 plus 0, the answer is just 1. It doesn't change. Same is true for 2 plus 0. The first addend doesn't change because it's just 0 bigger, which is the same. Is it true of all of the answers in this column that the answer is the same as the first addend? It is. So that's an awesome pattern. When you add 0 to a number, it doesn't change the number. It stays exactly the same. You said that all of these problems add 1 each time. How does adding 1 change our first addend? Yes, the answer goes up by 1. So if we have 1 plus 1, our answer is 2. If we have 2 plus 1, our answer is 3. Is it true of all of the facts in this column that the answer goes up by 1? It sure is. So could we say that 21 plus 1 is 22 because it's just 1 more, or the next number you say when counting? Absolutely. This is a great pattern. Let's find the answers or the solutions to the expressions in this column. I'll read the expression and you say the solution or the answer out loud. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. What patterns do you notice in this column? If you're with a partner, push pause and discuss it with them. Or you can tell a parent. If you're by yourself, take this time to just notice what patterns you see. Push pause. What patterns did you notice? They all add 2, and the totals are 2 more than the first addend. Also, some of you noticed that 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. Now let's find the solutions or the answers to the expressions in this column. I'll say the expression and you say the answer. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Push play to continue finding the solutions for this column. Then look for patterns. Hit play when you're ready to come back. What patterns did you notice? Did you notice that when you add 3, the total goes up by 3 from the first addend? Also, from 1 plus 3 to 2 plus 3, The difference is that 1 increased by 1 to become 2, so our answer of 4 increases by 1 to become 5. So interesting. Some of you are noticing these diagonal solutions are the same. Some of you are noticing that the solutions increase by 1 as we move horizontally from left to right. That's very interesting. I wonder why that is. Look at this row. What do you predict 4 plus 4 will equal? 8. Some of you might just know that 4 plus 4 is 8. It's a double. We learned doubles recently. But also look at the pattern. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only thing that's changing in the expression is the second addend increases by 1 each time. And that makes our solution increase by 1 each time. Fascinating. Some of you spotted the doubles in the addition chart. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Look at 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's a double. Let's say the solution to the expressions in this column. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus, oh my gosh, I'm reading it backwards. Didn't I tell you that I would make a marvelous mistake? There it is. I'm going to do this again. Ready? I'm going to read it from left to right. 1 plus 4 equals 5, which is the same as 4 plus 1. So I'm not wrong, but I was reading it out of order. Silly Miss Curry. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 4, that's a double. 5 plus 4 equals 6 plus 4 equals, pause the video and discuss with a partner or a grown-up, or notice for yourself patterns in this column and any that come before. 1 plus 6 equals 2 plus 6 equals 3 plus 6 equals 4 plus 6 equals. Pause the video and look for patterns. What patterns did you notice? Here's some that I noticed. We have odd numbers diagonally going down. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And here's those skip counting by 2 numbers. The even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I noticed from left to right, it increases by 1 because that second addend is increasing by 1, but the first addend is the same. Vertically, our solutions are increasing by 1 because the first addend is increasing by 1, but the second addend stays the same. Let's find the rest of the solutions. Be sure to write these down as we go along so you'll have them for the problem set. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Do you think it's possible, without me even looking at the expression, to know this solution just based on patterns? Based on this pattern, it should be 9. And also based on this pattern, it should be 9. This 2 plus 8 is 10, because look at the pattern. And look at the pattern. We got this. One more. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Nice job. It's time now for the problem set. You get to color your own addition.